Hey guys, I'm back. I'm going to do a quick makeup look for you. So I want you to know that I've already washed my face and I've already put my brow tint on, and I've already applied one color. The color that I've applied to my lids is this pomegranate color. Okay, so I'm just putting it right here at the crease of my eye and all the way down. Just infusing my eye with color right there, okay? And I've already put my eye primer on, so sometimes I wear eye primer, sometimes I don't, but um, this is what I'm doing today. And I'm also going to put in, I'm only going to use four colors. Yeah, four colors today. So my next color I'm going in with is my Hummingbird. And it's like a gray iridescent color. And I'm going to come in along the lash line with this color right here. I'm using an older brush that we used to use, but I'm coming in with a right here to kind of just come in on the lash line with that color. I'm trying to do this quickly because I have to get out the house today, and even though we wear masks, I try to make my eyes pop because I want to go visit some vendors today. All right, so I like how that color is working with my turquoise necklace without it being super matchy. Okay, so once I've done that, okay, I'm gonna come in with this Merlot color. Now, I typically like my rich truffle, but that's been discontinued, so I'm gonna go with my Merlot so that you guys who are wanting to get something that you can get now from Mary Kay can use this. Merlot is like a purplish color, and it's, oops, on my palette, this is it right here, okay? So I use that for the outer crease and making like a little V. See what I'm doing right here? Okay. Just quick and dirty, y'all, quick and dirty. All right, and so that's my third color. So the first color, pomegranate, second color, hummingbird, this third color, Merlot, and my last color is going to be Biscotti. I'll take this Biscotti. That's this color. Oops. Right here. Okay, and I'm just gonna take this and put it right under the lash, under the brow. Just dot it right under the brow, like so. Okay. And of course, I'm gonna blend. I'll take my crease brush and just kind of blend that in. Of course, when you get in the car, you may see that you need to blend a little bit more because for some reason when you're in the mirror in the house and you transition to the car, it looks a whole lot different. So now you guys, I'm going to, I didn't put my primer on, so let me quickly put my primer on. Oops. That's all you need. Probably don't even need that much. And this helps to keep the makeup on all day. Extends the wear of foundation. And of course, the best foundation is good skincare. You have to wash your face every day, and you must moisturize and treat your skin every day. That's how you keep a good That's how you keep a good skincare routine. That's how you keep your skin looking fresh. Okay, and I use this CC cream, which is like a more of a complexion corrector. It's the lightest coverage, y'all. Lightest coverage. It gives a natural finish. It has an SPF 15 in it. So when I go outside, I don't have to worry about getting burnt to a crisp. Because, oh, and of course, I have a bobby pin hanging here from my style that I took down last night. Wow, I was like, what is that dangling right there? Okay, great. Okay, so pretty much done. I'm just gonna follow up. Because we wear a mask, I usually just do a very light, this is a lip balm. I'm just gonna put this lip balm on because I'm going out. I'm not doing a Zoom call. So I don't want too much makeup smearage, but I want to look professional. What I will do is follow up with my eyeliner. Do a little eyeliner and a little lash. I'm not doing my false lashes today because I'm trying to be in a little bit of a hurry. So I'm not going to do that, but I am going to come in with my eyeliner to just give my eye a little definition right at the lash line, okay? Just a little, okay? And then I'm going to come in right here with a little eyeliner. And I use this Mary Kay very basic eyeliner, you guys. It lasts forever. We also have a liquid and a gel, but I find for my everyday application, I use all three, but it just depends what I feel like I'm in the mood for that day. So I'm putting on a little of this Lash Intensity. We have a new Fanorama Lash Love. Sorry, I said it wrong. But I left that in my bag that I go out with. So that's a great mascara for those of you who want a little length but don't want them super dramatic. It's a great little okay. So I'm not putting on any blush or anything. I'm basically going to do that. So that's my quick look, you guys, for going out. I might just do a little brow pencil. Let me just hit up the brow pencil just a little bit. I put on my brow tint, but I want a little more dramatic eye. You see how it's making it dramatic. See my video about how I slay my brows. And if you want to see the video about how I did my lashes, the magnetic lashes that I got for really cheap, I was really surprised. That's another video as well. And so until next time, guys, see you soon.